green tsaka yung blue, yung Arctic Chill, tsaka yung Peppermint
Yun,
Fresh.
Arctic
hope
Chill
you
yung
guys
ano sa akin.
have been listening because we're gonna play.
Sa akin,
Yeah,
Arctic
you're raising your hand.
Yung
We're gonna
blue.
play a game. Gusto mo ako na mag-game?
Yan ba yun?
So, laro tayo. Halika dito, halika. Kuya, halika dito. Bilis, may prize ka sa akin. Halika, kuya.
Yung blue yung inano sa akin, diba?
We're gonna play a little game. I'm gonna ask a question, and whoever wants
Yun
to
lang.
answer,
Pinak-pinak.
please feel free to raise your hand. Come up here, join us on stage. Ito, kuya, ano pangalan mo?
Uy,
Ryan din.
wow, ito ka naka-blue din.
Alright. Ryan, ilang taon ka na?
7 po.
7? Ha? Palaktong bata, baby ka pa. Oo. Oh, Ryan, nakikinig ka ba sa sinasabi ni Kuya Ryan? Kanina pa? Okay, ganito ah. Dadalihan ko lang yung question mo, Ryan. Okay. Di ba kanina sinabi ko yung 5 na flavors natin, di ba? Tama? Tama. Pwede ka humingi ng asa si Mami. Mami, pwede mo siyang tulungan, ha?
Coach.
Ito yung tanong mo, Ryan. What's the Swiss variant that has the delicious taste of chocolate?
Choco, ano yan?
Ano yung Swiss variant na may lasa ng sarap ng chocolate? Mami, pwede mo tulungan si Ryan. Isa pa. Tingnan mo. Ito papapasa ko sa'yo. Ito, icy chocolate.
Icy
Ito,
chocolate.
mangosteen mint. Ito, peppermint fresh. Cinnamon blast tsaka Arctic Chill. Ang tanong ko, alin sa kanila yung lasang chocolate?
Icy chocolate.
Ice chocolate me.
Ice chocolate pala pa natin si Ryan. Thank you very much, buddy. Because of that, you're gonna get a prize from Ate Janelle and Kuya Ryan. So, yun yung Swish gift pack mo. Thank you very much, Ryan.
Congratulations. Ayan, meron tayong baby.
Let's all give Ryan a big hand. Thank you very much.
palakpak.
Nice job. We have our next question. Ito na. I'll ask the question. If you know the answer, please feel free to come up and join us. Question number 2. Hello? Sa mga bagong dating. This is a Swiss variant that has the strongest mint flavor. Pinakamahal. Daddy, halika dito.
Ready si Daddy.
Daddy, ano yung pinakamahal? Ang pangalan mo muna? Rico. Rico Suave. Alright, Rico. Arctic Chill. That would be the blue one with intensely strong mint. Rico, you are correct. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Yan yung favorite mo, ha? Rico, congratulations. You get a gift pack from Swish. Maraming salamat, paring Rico. Why don't you ask the next
Our
question?
next question. Sino mo? Volunteer muna. Sino gusto?
Sino gusto? Yun.
Ayun, sa likod.
Paring nakapit. Halika dito.
Ready.
It's the boys that are active today.
Parang may date na.
What's your name, buddy? Ha? Paulo.
Sino kasama mo ngayon?
Wait.
Good.
Alright, Paulo, you better do your date proud. Here is your question. Listen to Janelle.
How many variants does Swish have? How many variants
Tumingin ka po.
does Swish have?
Hiling mo, ha? Hiling mo lang, 5. Hindi ka sigurado
Feeling
yan.
niya 5.
Hula lang. Well, dahil lang hula ka at ayaw ka namin mapaya kay Hazel, pare ko, panalo ka ng gift pack from Swish. Yes, we have 5 variants. Thank you very much, Paulo. Congratulations, buddy.
Congratulations. Disclaim your prize here from
Thank you,
Swish.
Paulo. Okay, now,
Down to our
last question. Sino muna? Volunteer muna. Who wants to come up? Yes, Mami.
Mommy.
Alright. Here's your last question, Mami. Ano ang pangalan nito? Renny. Ma'am Renny. Ito po ang inyong tanong. What is the Swish product that gives you fresh breath on the go? When you're busy, this is what you should be having. Ito po, Mami, yung pagka nagmamadali tayo, wala tayong time mag-gargle, ito, ini-spray lang natin to. It comes with little small bottles. Sige, dahil nandaya na rin naman si Paolo, pwede ka na rin mandaya. Anong dahil,
Sino
Coach?
kasama niyo?
Sino kasama niya, Mami
Coach
Renny?
niyo. Wala.
Sige, Mami Renny, because you came up on stage, we will still give you a gift from Swish, but we need the correct answer. Dito ka lang, Mami Renny. Who else wants to answer?
Sino Dyan ang may correct answer.
The question is, what is the Swish product that gives you fresh breath on the go?
Ha?
Ikaw talaga?
Hindi mo, ayaw mo?
This is
Iba na lang muna.
perfect for people on the go.
Fresh breath on the go. Oh yes, hold on. You want to do it in the shop?